half the stuff. That's what the backers of Measure E are asking you for. They want you to pay twice the price to fund Fresno State and only receive half of the benefits. Measure E punishes Fresno County families by forcing them to pay a second time for improvements that we've already paid for with our income, property, and sales taxes. Instead of fighting to send those tax dollars to Fresno State, useless politicians like Assemblyman Jim Patterson are trying to convince you to pay double the cost due to their incompetence. At a time when the price of gas, food, and clothes for our kids are at all-time highs, why would we make them more expensive by approving a double tax? Stand with Republicans, Democrats, the Howard Jarvis Taxpayers Association, and Guardians of Growth, and vote no on Measure E. Get the facts at MeasureESucks.com. Ad paid for by Guardians for Growth Tax.
Tired of the hassle of managing multiple suppliers and financial institutions for your farming needs? The solution is at theagcenter.com, where you can simplify your farming experience. Explore an extensive range of services, products, and financing options, all at one place to enhance your farming operation. Interested in discovering how the Ag Center can help you save? Visit booth U54 at the World Ag Expo from February 13th through the 15th. You'll have a chance to hear from guest speakers in the agricultural industry daily, including representatives from the California Almond Board, American Pistachio Growers, Westside Equipment, and a live podcast featuring members of the Almond Company and Trinity Fruit. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. Mark your calendar for their legendary social event on Wednesday from 1 to 5 p.m. Stop by the Ag Center's booth to explore how they can provide you with top quality products, services, and resources for your farming operation. Or learn more at theagcenter.com. See you there.
Hi, I'm Sherry Harris, owner of Life Source Water. As we celebrate 40 years in business, we want to say thank you for trusting us with such an important part of your life, the water in your home. When my dad founded Life Source Water, his vision was to provide families with clean, great-tasting water without chemicals, so that every time they turn on their tap, it tastes delicious, feels refreshing, makes their hair shine, and their skin glow. And at Life Source, we build, install, and stand behind every single Life Source product, and we always will. So check those plastic bottles and call us. Let us give you water that tastes so good you drink it all the time, and water so refreshing you can't wait to shower. Call us at 1-800-WATER-99. That's 1-800-WATER-99. Or visit us at lifesourcewater.com.
Showcases the greatest peak performers sharing their journey, knowledge, and thought leadership.
This is one of the all-time best pieces of advice ever given on the show.
Author and coach Tony Robbins.
You don't experience life. You experience the life you focus on.
Singer Jason Derulo.
My happiest moments have always been in the grind.
Singer Jewel.
I think healing is a gritty job. It's you looking in the mirror and going, what do I got? No one's coming for me. I'm coming for me.
The Ed Milet Show is available on YouTube or wherever you listen.
If you believe in local control, public safety, and balanced budgets, vote yes on Measure A and B, and vote to re-elect Supervisor Nathan Magsig. Paid for by Magsig for Supervisor 2024.
This is KMJ at KMJNow.com or anywhere you stream.
By the way, Philip, my compliments on the incredibly inappropriate and politically insensitive and politically incorrect bumper music. Excellent choice. Why? What do you mean, sir? It's a compliment, man. Try to compliment you. Just take it for what it's worth. That's Philip. I'm E. It's the afternoon trend here on KMJ. Just joined us. We're just talking about the latest drama at Fresno Unified. I'm going to take a couple of quick quotes here from Bill McEwen over at GB Wire. Talking about Louis Jamerson, who's the Fresno Teachers Association Executive Director. Apparently, Louis has stepped forward, and he's made it known as the Fresno Unified Trustees and others that he wants to be the district's new superintendent. Bill points out that FTA President Manuel Bonilla is also a candidate for the deputy superintendent. Bill says the idea of Jamerson Bonilla leading California's third largest school district is laughable. Neither is even remotely qualified for these important positions. However, their attempted takeover of one of the state's worst performing districts